To install preferred language in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings, select Time and Language, and then select Language. On preferred language, click or tap Add a language. Apps and website will appear in the first language in the list that they support. Okay, select Add a language, and then select language you want to install. Example Bengali. Okay, example, and then click or tap Next, tap or click Install. The language will be installed. This downloading process. Or other method, right click on language and then select settings, tap or click add a language and then select language you want to install, and then tap next, tap install. Okay, process downloading. Okay, please wait until process complete. And how to use, for example, I want to use in Microsoft Word. This English keyboard language to change, for example Arabic. Okay, and or other language. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.